make this delicious pumpkin pie milkshake. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. It's so good to see all of you. It's not fall yet, I know that, but for all you pumpkin lovers out there, like moi, I love pumpkin. I'll have pumpkin pie all year long. I'll make pumpkin muffins, pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. I just love pumpkin. So I don't wait for Thanksgiving to have pumpkin pie. I have it whenever I feel like it. So, since the kids are going back to school, my oldest grandson Jake just went off to college on Monday. It was kind of bittersweet, but we wish him a lot of luck, and I know he's going to do good things. But anyway, I don't know, I'm starting to get in that little bit of a fall mood. So I thought today I'd make something fun for you. It's a pumpkin pie milkshake. Doesn't that sound good? And it has a surprise ingredient in it. So stay tuned and we're gonna make it right now. Okay, for all my new subscribers out there, I wanna give you a big thanks. I really appreciate your support. And for all my regular subscribers that have come on back, so good to see you. So anyway, what are we gonna need today? Well, you're gonna need a blender, or for me, I always use my Ninja. Something that you're going to be able to, mix up your milkshake in very well. Now, I'm gonna put in here, in this milkshake, pumpkin pie milkshake, only 3 ingredients. What more could you ask for? So, let me show you what I'm gonna make. In here, and I have it all plugged in, I'm gonna put 1 cup of cold, fat-free milk. So let me pour that in there now. Alrighty, woo! Now to that, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of vanilla ice cream. Any brand you want. I happen to have Breyers here because it was on sale. They're natural vanilla ice cream. So I have 1/4 of a cup here, and I'm going to put that in with the milk. Easy so far, right? Ooh, this looks yummy. All right, okay. Scoop that in, there you go. So let me put that in. Okay. Now you're probably saying to yourself, Diva, okay, you said this was only 3 ingredients. So what's the 3rd ingredient? Well, I'm gonna knock your socks off now. The 3rd ingredient is a small slice of pumpkin pie. That's right. I haven't lost my marbles yet, but we're gonna cut a small piece of this pumpkin pie, and we're gonna put it right in with our milk and our ice cream. So let me cut that now. I didn't bake the pie. This is a store-bought pumpkin pie. So let me get a little piece here. Alrighty. I'll hold it up to show you where I cut it so you can see. And I'm gonna put it right in here. I know, sounds crazy. Don't knock it till you try it. Here we go. Alrighty, right in there. So, now let me get my lid to put on my Ninja. Hold on. Okay, I have my lid to put on my Ninja here. And I have it plugged in, so I'm gonna put my top on it. Okay, so I have my top on my Ninja, and I'm gonna start pulsing this. That's right, pulsing it, because you want to get it all pulverized. So here we go. Alrighty. I love pumpkin. I like pumpkin everything. In the fall we get the pumpkin spice coffee. Oh, that's really good. Look at that. Oh, looking good already. And not crazy. And you can make several of them out of a pumpkin pie, right? And if you only want to make a few, you have the rest of the pumpkin pie to eat. I think that's done. Let me take a quick peek. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just pour it into a mason jar today because it'll look pretty. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? Oh yeah. Ooh, nice light color. Oh, I think this is, I'm not sure, a 16-ounce mason jar, so it's perfect in there. What else should I do? I think I'm gonna squirt a little whipped cream on the top. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Oh, baby, look at that. And what else should I put in there to finish it off? I think I'm gonna sprinkle a tiny bit of nutmeg on the top. That's optional. That's up to you. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. And what else do we need? A nice straw. Oh, can't wait. So, let me do my taste testing now. Don't go away. Alrighty. So let me give this baby a taste right now and let you know what I think. Oh. Delicious. Perfect pumpkin pie milkshake. You have to try this. Oh, so good. It's just a beautiful pumpkin flavor. It's nice and cool and refreshing. It's not too strong. And best of all, it's not too sweet. So, I want to thank everybody who popped in here to see me make this pumpkin pie milkshake. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that red button on the bottom and the little bell next to it till it says all. And that's it. You'll get notifications whenever I have a new video up. And if you like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So, have a wonderful day. I'll see you again very soon. See, I told you this wasn't going to be too long. So, what do I have to say? Cheers and toodles! So good.